Hi everyone, I hope you all safe and healthy with your family and friends. In this video we are going to learn about 11th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 8 Bank Reconciliation Statement, Exercise Sum number 1. From the following particulars, prepare a bank reconciliation statement of Jayakumar as on 31st December 2016. Let's read the given transaction, that is balance as per the cash book rupees 7,130. A check deposited but not cleared 1,000 rupees. A customer has deposited 800 rupees into a bank directly. So we have to look at 2 points here, that is what is given and what they asked for us. As for the bank balance as per the cash book is given here, and we have to find out that bank balance as per the bank statement. Okay, so we already prepared the format of the BRS, which means bank reconciliation statement. Then we have to record the balance as per the cash book in a particular column, and 730 rupees we have to enter into the outer amount column we entered. Listen carefully, we have to add and subtract the given transaction as an asset and liability concept. Are you clear? Okay, let's read the first transaction, that is check deposited but not cleared 1,000 rupees. First we need to identify the transaction which is to be receipt and which is to be payment. Like cash will comes in or cash will goes out. This is the most important to prepare the BRS. The first transaction tells us checks deposited but not cleared 1,000 rupees, which means we received a check from customer and deposited it in a bank but not cleared, right? Say for example, we take a transaction like you sold goods to your customer rupees 1,000 rupees, okay, but your customer making payment to you through check. So you got check and deposited that check into bank, okay. And what happened at bank? It will take a day or 2 days or 3 days, even a week to clear that check. And then only you received your cash from your bank account. It will take certain days to clear that check. Listen carefully, as bank point of view, whenever bank account increased, it will be credited, okay. So listen, after deposited the check, you recorded in your cash book as on receipt side bank column 1,000 rupees, which means after deposited check into a bank, immediately your cash book increased. 1,000 rupees increased in your cash book, okay. But actually what happened at a bank? After deposited our check into bank, it takes some days to clear it. So your deposited check are not yet cleared. So your bank balance remains the same. The deposited check not cleared only, your bank account decreased, which means your bank account will be minus. Listen carefully. Now we are going to prepare the reconcile the bank statement, okay. So for that we are going to prepare the bank balance in the cash book as per the bank balance in the passbook, that means bank statement. So as per the bank balance of the bank statement, you have to minus this transaction. So you have to write in minus column, which means subtract column, check deposited but not cleared 1,000 rupees will be entered on outer column. That's all. The next transaction is a customer has deposited 800 rupees directly into a bank. Listen here, when you received a check from your customer, then you deposited that 800 rupees check into the bank directly. Listen carefully, whenever you can deposit a check on or before 10 a.m. on that day into a bank, it will be cleared within a day. So as for that, if your check cleared, then your bank balance as per the bank statement is increased. So you have to add this transaction. So in add column, we will write A check was directly deposited into a bank and 800 rupees will be entered in the outer column. We entered on all the given transactions in the bank reconciliation we entered here. Okay, given transaction we entered in the bank reconciliation statement. Now we need to find out the balancing figure, that is the balance as per the bank statement. So for that we have to add 800 rupees with 7,130. We got 7,930. Then we have to subtract 1,000 rupees from 7,930. We got 6,930. So this is the balance as per the bank statement. The balance as per the bank statement is rupees 6,930. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Thank you. Take care.